Hey guys, today I'm going to show you my BSD Forever frame build. So here we got the frame. It's 21 inches. It's a longer frame, got a really nice feel to it. It's an older model, but still rides pretty damn great. I'll start off by showing you the parts that I built onto it. I kind of went with the black and chrome theme. I got a Deluxe Stem, top load, very cool stem, a little bit longer. I got the S&M Perfect 10 bars, which are nice and big, really good. We got the Odyssey chrome monolever. We got Grips BSD, and to top it off, we got the Wethepeople chrome bar ends. Here we got the animal white cable. We got the S&M Pitchforks. Down here, hub, I have the Demoltion Bulimia hub laced to a Odyssey Quadrant Rim. On the other side, I have the Bulimia Hub Guard and the Kriss unit pegs, which are nice and slim, super sick. The tires are Tioga street blocks. Down here, we got Eclat Tibea cranks. We got the BSD Sprocket and BSD chain. Eclat Brakes and Odyssey pedals. Back here, we have an Eclat Kolibri Hub laced to an Odyssey 7KA rim. On the other side, we have a Merritt Hub Guard and the other Kriss unit peg. Up here we have the Kink Smut seat, super sick, throwback to the old pin-up girls, and it utilizes a pivotal system, which is stealth, so it actually screws in on the bottom, which is super cool too. Doesn't leave anything on top. Very clean look. Otherwise, this is my bike, super sick. Thanks for watching.